Welcome to a new era of comfortable, sustainable living. Introducing this 3-bedroom, remarkable prefabricated tiny home, a perfect blend of modern design, durability, and complete customization. This isn't just a house, it's a blank canvas for your dream lifestyle, delivered right to your doorstep. This isn't your average tiny home. It's a meticulously engineered, spacious villa designed for full-time living, complete with 3 bedrooms, a fully equipped bathroom, a modern kitchen, and a comfortable living room. The innovative design of this home gives you the freedom to create a space that perfectly suits your needs. Want to change the layout? You can. Want to add a terrace or a different type of flooring? You have the ability to customize all the details, from the windows and roof to the doors and the overall layout, to truly make it your own. Crafted with quality and safety as top priorities, this home is built on a foundation of a solid galvanized steel frame and sturdy square steel pipes, ensuring exceptional stability and safety. This robust structure gives the house an impressive wind resistance of up to level 11 and an earthquake resistance of up to level 9. And for peace of mind, the fire protection level is rated at A, making it an exceptionally safe living space. You can rest assured knowing your new home is built to withstand a variety of climate conditions, from heavy rain to extreme heat and even snow, with simple maintenance. Beyond its durable construction, this home offers unparalleled convenience. It arrives as a fully equipped unit, featuring everything you need to move in and start living. The kitchen comes with sleek cabinetry, while the bathroom is complete with a toilet and shower. The unit includes all the necessary electrical and plumbing setups, significantly simplifying the installation process. This unique opportunity is more than just a real estate purchase. It's an investment in a versatile, high-quality, and personalized living solution. Whether you're looking for a primary residence, a vacation getaway, or a versatile guest house, this modern villa provides a smart and sustainable option without compromising on comfort or style. This is a chance to design a home that is truly yours. Are you ready to see how this incredible prefab tiny home fit into your life? Let's talk about making your vision a reality. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.